If you're looking for dogs toys by Atesson, here's a collection you've got to see. Pets lovers' most popular dogs toys by Atesson. Number 1, most popular by Atesson. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, another great product by Atesson. Number 3. For more details about these dogs' toys, just click this circle. Number 4. Number 5, also by Atesson. Find these dogs' toys by Atesson at up to 70% off by clicking the info circle. Number 6. Number 7. Click the circle in the corner to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8. Number 9, by Poor Boo. Discover more dogs toys by Atesson ideas and items to explore, click the circle. Number 10.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.